KX. Today is February 4th, 2021. It's been a wet winter here in Portland, and I'm finally seeing a little bit of a break in the weather over towards Bend, and so I'm going to go meet a few friends and ride dirt bikes out near Millican Plateau, which is an OHV area out, where is it, to the east, northeast of Bend. I've got my toy hauler here. Had to dust it off a little bit, and got just one dirt bike in the back, and hopefully I'll be able to take some pictures and maybe do a little bit of hiking or something else. I've got still got free time right now going on. It is Thursday, and some of the guys are meeting over there. Got to work during the week, and so most of the riding is going to be the weekend, but we'll probably sneak in a ride tomorrow. But anyways, that's all I got for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you in a bit. Making pretty good time. I'm down here by Sublimity and pulled into Power Yamaha. Realized that I needed to get a new OHV permit for my KTM 300. So it expired in December. That's how little I've been riding. Next stop, hopefully it won't be a stop, is going to be Santiam Pass. Santiam Pass is a very high, the High Cascades Pass heading over to Bend that I'm taking here south of Portland. Most people go over Mount Hood if you live in Portland, but since I'm in southwest Portland, I have to go through all of Portland to get to Highway 26, and that's just not worth it. It's better for me to hop on I-5 and then cut over out of Salem. But Santiam Pass is pretty snowy this time of year. I've been pulling it up today on the road cameras, and it looks kind of iffy. There's a section that's covered in snow, and I normally avoid snow when I've got my truck and my toy hauler, but we're going to give it a try this time. But I've got chains for both the trailer and the truck, so I'll be good. And the truck's four-wheel drive, so I'm not too concerned about it, but it's just all the other cars sliding around that make me nervous.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Buddy Gary stopped by. Whew, that wind's a little chilly. Once we get moving, it should warm up. Alright, let's see if the bike will start. Haven't started it yet today. Find a good one? That's my group right there going back the other way.
When we wake, hear the birds can see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no
Saturday morning, about 6:30. I think the temperature is 16 degrees. Whew. Got cold out here last night. The few nights before, it just barely dipped into freezing. Maybe into, I think yesterday was 28 when I woke up, but 16. Brr. Looks like the cold water froze on my RV, but hot water works, so that was nice. Still supposed to get up into the mid-40s today, maybe even close to 50, I believe. Beautiful sky. I don't know if you can see the sunrise over here was quite nice. Well, it's still coming up, but the color has been real pretty. So we've had some good riding out here. First day I got here, I just rode for a couple hours and didn't put the camera on or anything, just kind of wanted to warm up a little bit. I haven't been riding much lately, and I wanted to just kind of get in a test ride. And then yesterday, I kind of missed everybody going out early. I had a little bike maintenance I needed to do yesterday morning, but ended up riding about 35 miles and rode with a local guy out here. I think his name was Sean, not sure. Nice enough fellow. And showed him around the area. He hadn't new to the area and hadn't ridden before out here much, so it was kind of nice to ride with somebody. But hoping to have a nice ride today. Gonna wait a bit till it warms up before I go out. And this afternoon I might get out and go for a drive somewhere. We'll see. But it's nice to get out here to the high desert, and there's nobody right now. I'm over in the actual staging area, the corral staging area, and there's actually nobody here. Let's see. So this is the staging area. You can see the sign right back over here. But where we're camped is actually back over this way a little bit. It's a little bit more out of the wind. All right, we'll catch you later. So about those red roads.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Hey, it's Sunday, February 7th. So I'm just now leaving the Millican OHV area and had a great weekend, had some really good riding, and it was nice to know that I still have the ability to ride dirt bikes. It's been a little while, and you never know how your body condition is over the winter time, but I did all right. Had one little get off, but nothing major, and had some really good riding conditions. It was really cold in the mornings. It was about 16 degrees when I packed up this morning, but as soon as the sun comes up, it warms up to above freezing real fast. And when we were riding, it was in the 40s, and very little dust in the wintertime. So without having the heat and the dust, it really is nice riding conditions out here in the wintertime. So, you know, I'm out near Bend, Oregon, and the beautiful sunshine sure is nice too. Kind of recharged everybody's batteries, and now back to Portland. So I packed up pretty early this morning. One guy left even earlier than me, but the other guys were still asleep when I pulled out, but that's all right. I wanted to get an early start on the day. Today's Super Bowl Sunday, so hoping to get home and watch the big game. But anyways, that's Dirt Bike Winter Millican Edition in February, and I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll talk to you later. Scott PDX out.